I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook eggs quickly. Start by gathering eggs, a non-stick pan, oil, salt, and a timer, then preheat the pan for 1 to 2 minutes. Use room temperature eggs to shave time and avoid overcooking. Crack eggs near the pan to speed transfer. Keep a spatula and plate ready so you can move finished eggs out fast and serve immediately for best texture. In this video, I will show how to cook eggs quickly. Whisk eggs briskly with a splash of milk or water to loosen the proteins and speed up cooking time. Heat a non-stick pan, then pour and stir gently, but constantly on medium heat to create small, tender curds. Remove the pan from heat just before fully set so residual heat finishes them, giving creamy scrambled eggs in minutes. In this video, I will show how to cook eggs quickly. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about time and priorities, which ties surprisingly well to simple kitchen habits and saving minutes each morning. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to cook eggs quickly. To speed fried eggs, use medium-high heat and spoon-hot oil or butter over whites to set the top fast. For soft boiled eggs, bring water to a rapid simmer and time 5 to 6 minutes for a runny center, then plunge into an ice bath to halt cooking. These tricks cut wait time without sacrificing texture or flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.